As a leader, one of the greatest gifts you can give members of your team is to hold space for them when you're having one-on-one meetings or conversations. Give them time and space to develop and express their own ideas, explore their own options, come to their own conclusions and solutions. So often what we see is leaders pushing information at people, jumping in to solve all the problems. That doesn't empower people, and it sets you up to be the source of all answers so that you then become exhausted because you're solving everybody else's problems. The key here lies in asking terrific, open questions. I know you've heard this before, but are you taking it on board? Questions that start with how and what. What would it look like if? How could it be if? That open up imagination, open up possibilities. Yes, these conversations may take a little more time, but in the long run, you and your team members will reap the rewards. When you can, rather than tell, ask and listen. You might be blown away by what you get back in return. I'm Dr Neryl East, and I show leaders and organisations how to communicate with credibility and build more effective, connected teams.